Hi guys. I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing GPT Sol. In this video, I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the GPT Sol software. All-in-one AI platform that brings powerful AI models and creation tools into one simple dashboard, eliminating the need to switch between multiple AI apps. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In the left side panel, you'll have access to dashboard overview, chat, content, images, video, codecs, audio, prompts, research, history and settings. Let's begin with chat. Select the model from this list, and then simply ask what you need. It will generate the response you asked for. Next, content. It will turn a clear brief into a polished copy for any channel, audience, or business need. Just choose the model, enter the details, and click Create Content. Within a few seconds, it will give you this wonderful output. Then images. You can easily create high-quality images with your prompt. Choose the model, enter the prompt, choose the canvas and quality. Then hit the Generate Image button to get a result like this in a few seconds. Then video. This will generate a high-quality video for your prompt. Just choose the model, enter the prompt, select duration, resolution and aspect ratio. Then hit the Generate Video button to start the generation. Within a couple of minutes, it will give you this wonderful video. With Codecs feature, you can build complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects easily. Choose the mode, select the type of the project, enter the requirement, then hit the Generate Static Project button to get this entire project code. Next, audio. This will give you the high-quality natural tone text-to-speech feature. Enter the script, choose the voice model, then hit the Generate Speech button to get output like this.
Welcome to GPT 5.6 Sol, your all-in-one AI platform for content creation, coding, design, automation, and business growth. Create faster, work smarter, and unlock the power of AI in one simple dashboard.
Then prompts. In this you can simply copy any type of prompts you need for your creations. Finally, the research. This will help you to search current sources, reconcile evidence, and turn findings into decisions, comparison, summaries, insights, or reports. This history option will give you access to all your creations done. Then this settings option will give you access to your account details such as email, name, and password. I've covered all the options inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.